Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to remove the junk file beside this iManager or the scanning application from the smartphone of the Vivo Y17S. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So usually if you would like to do the scanning for this phone, you can open this iManager application. And this is the look of the home page. This is the security scan that you would like to scanning and to prevent any virus in your phone. And you can also remove the junk file by click this space cleanup. And as you can see that this application or this iManager finds that there is or there are 0.95 gigabytes of the junk file. But what if I told you or what if I tell you that there is another junk file that hasn't been found by this application? So you can go back to the home page of your phone and you can go to the menu over here and you can choose this app that contains a lot of application that you has not downloaded before. So please do not click the get because it will download or install the application. Just click the symbol or the logo of the application like this randomly, and after that click this backspace, and after that you can go to the manage and go to the space cleanup. And this application or this apps manager will show you that there are another junk file that hasn't been found and still need to be removed so your storage can be more spacious. As you can see here, there are a lot of junk file that 1.07 gigabyte. So you can start to clean up by this junk file. As you can see, there are the cache junk and also the useless application. You can just go to clean up this. So it will help you to get the spacious storage. And you can also go back to the iManager again and clean this junk file also, and your storage in this phone can be more spacious. So I hope this tutorial finds you helpful guys, and please be safe and you can try this application into your phone. And don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another video tutorials. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.